welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. It is almost Halloween day, which means we have got to do a Halloween drawing today. So I am going to teach you how to draw a Halloween cat step by step. Let's get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our Halloween cat. The first thing we're going to do is make its face, which is a really big oval shape. Next, we'll add another similarly shaped oval for the body. Come out and back to meet. This cat currently looks like two overlapping potatoes, but it'll look cute, I promise. All right, next we're going to add the ears to our cat character. 1, and 2, and we can add some interior details here for each ear. And we'll give this cat some legs that are basically like U shapes. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll come in with a few details here on our cat's paws. And we'll add a fun tail. And now we'll get to work on the face of our cat. So our cat is going to have really big eyes. So we need 2 really big circles. 1, and 2, and we'll need 2 pupils on the inside of each of those circles. And you'll notice that I'm drawing teeny tiny circles inside of those pupils, and that is to add our eye highlight to our character's eyes. Little tiny triangle for the cat's nose. And we'll do the mouth with 2 lines. 1 line that comes down like that, and then a line that goes across to make a smile. And this is a Halloween cat, so we're going to give it 2 little teeny tiny teeth that come up from the smile. And then one of my favorite things about cats, of course, their whiskers. can add a little background texture here to show that our cat is indeed on the ground. You can add some grass blades if you want to. So there we have the outline of our Halloween cat. Now the next step that we have to do is color them in. So you are free to choose colored pencils, crayons, markers, anything that you'd like to color your character. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, the last step we have to do is sign them because every artist should always sign their work. And there we have our Halloween cats. Great job today, illustrators. I'm so impressed with your cats today. I hope you all have a very happy and safe Halloween. I'll see you next time.